Look, Meatball, it's some race cars. Whoa!
Hey Meatball.
Hey kids, I'm with Hey Meatball, and today we are going to be doing the science experiment of sink or float. Meatball, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you think stuff is gonna either sink or float? Sink? Float? Well, before we figure out what is gonna sink or float, we gotta find stuff to see what will sink or float.
Okay.
Are you ready to go look?
Yes.
Let's go, let's go.
Jump.
Meatball, come on, come on, come on. Look, it's a baseball. It's a softball. Come on, come on. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
It's a softball. Meatball, do you think that's gonna sink or float?
Okay.
Which one, sink or float? Oh, you think it's gonna float? Look, Meatball, it's some race cars. Whoa!
Whoa, Nathan!
Whoa, look at this race car. This is a Jeep, right? Mustang. And this is a Transformer. Wow, Meatball, we gotta see if they can sink or float. Do you think they're gonna sink or float? Which one, float or sink? Hey kids, so we just found some awesome race cars. Now we need to figure out if they're gonna sink or float. All right, let's take them. Come on, come on, come on. Get them. Get the Mustang. Come on, get the Mustang. Let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Meatball, it's some chalk on the chalk line. Come on, come on. Hey kids, do you guys think that the chalk is gonna sink or float? Hey kids, we have a red ball. Do you think the ball is gonna sink or float? Let's go. Oh, Meatball, look, on the gate. Who is that? Spider-Man. Let's go get him. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Look at Spider-Man just hanging on the gate. Whoa, who is that behind him? That's Hawk. Let's get Spider-Man and Hawk. Let's see if they'll sink or float. Go get Hawk. Go, go, go.
Oh!
Look at Hawk. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go see if they're gonna sink or float. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Okay, Meatball. Now that we have found all of our items, now we need to see if they are going to sink or float. So we have Hawk, Spider-Man, a softball, a Jeep, a Mustang, a Transformer, some chalk, and we have a red ball. Okay, let's see if the softball gonna sink or float. Go ahead, Meatball, put it in the water. Whoa! Whoa! The softball is floating. Okay, now you want to try the red ball? Go ahead. Woo! Now we got to try the Transformer. So let's pick up the Transformer. Here you go. All right, now we're going to put it in the water in 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! 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 So the Transformer did not float. You want to do Hawk? Okay, let's do Hawk. 3. Okay. Oh, look at Hawk. Hawk smash floating. So now we want to do some chalk, okay? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's put the other chalk in. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Okay, Let's see if Spider-Man gonna sink or float. 3, 2, 1, go! Spider-Man float, okay? Okay, so Spider-Man floats, okay? None of the chalk floats. Transformer doesn't float. Let's try the Mustang. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's try the Jeep. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Spider-Man, look at the Jeep. Oh, and the Jeep is dragging the Mustang down with him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, Meatball! All the stuff that float and some of the things that sunk are amazing. So hey guys, thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe so that way you can see more videos from Hey Meatball. Goodbye. Say bye, Meatball. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.